All right, more news coming in this morning. A recce is being done at Bollywood King Shah Rukh Khan's house. Police suspects that the person who attacked Saif Ali Khan could be the same person who did the recce of Shah Rukh Khan's house. Recce was done at Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's house on the 14th of January. Mega India Today exclusive news break. An attempt was being made to look inside Shah Rukh Khan's house by placing a 6 to 8 feet long iron ladder at the back of the retreat house located near Shah Rukh Khan's house, Mannat. Vidya is getting in more details on that story. Vidya, what more can you tell us about the link, perhaps, between the recce that was being done at Shah Rukh Khan's house and the attacker, who in fact attacked Saif Ali Khan?
What we have gotten to know is that there was a ladder that was recently used at the residence of Shah Rukh Khan, that was at Mannat, and according to what the police sources have told correspondent Deepesh Tripathi, it's clear that, though Shah Rukh Khan had not registered any case because this person was only using a ladder that was and to peep inside the bungalow of the Mannat, which is the residence of Shah Rukh Khan. But remember, though this case was not registered, but the CCTV grab had been looked into by the police, and this particular person seemed to be of the same body structure, who was trying to do that, and that's the reason why, because that ladder was very heavy. A similar kind of a ladder was probably used in this particular case as well, and the person who looked very similar to the person who was in case of Shah Rukh Khan's residence was also the person who was seen in the CCTV footage in Saif's residence is also very similar body structure, and that's one of the reasons why police believe that since that ladder is quite heavy, it could not have been taken in by just one person. So there are more than one person involved in this case, but certainly the investigation is on from every aspect, whether it was just one person or there are more. But there are some, they are looking into this aspect, whether there could be any connection between the person who was found at the residence of Shah Rukh Khan and the person who has been found now, and the kind of ransom money that that person was seeking, whether he did have any history of it, earlier as well. So all these aspects are being looked into by the Mumbai police.
All right, Vidya getting in those details. Also get us up to speed with the investigations in the matter. The motive, I understand, as far as the Saif Ali Khan case is concerned, is being told to be, robbery. That has been established. Vidya?
It's not just robbery. In fact, in the last half an hour, that according to Mumbai police, that the accused had spent at the residence fighting out Saif and his staff. There was also a demand for ₹1 crore, is what we have gotten to know. That person had actually asked for, he was asked as to what does he really want, and he had said about 1 crore. And so, all these things are being taken into account as and when, these kind of statements are getting unraveled. Further, of course, sections will be invoked, but as of now, yes, trespassing, dacoity are the sections that have been invoked. But, if you look at the statement that has been given, it does seem like there could be many more serious charges that could be invoked against this accused once he's arrested.
Clear with that for the moment. Vidya getting us up to speed with those details. This is a Mega India Today exclusive news break that Vidya was reported on just a few moments ago, where Vidya was in fact telling us about the police now probing the recce that was done at Shah Rukh Khan's house and whether that has any link with the attack on Saif Ali Khan. In fact, we have an update coming in. The police suspects that the person who did the recce at Shah Rukh Khan's house is the same person who attacked Saif Ali Khan, because the CCTV pictures, the footage from Shah Rukh Khan's house that the police has received, this height and the body structure of that person matches with the CCTV pictures that the police recovered from the stairs of Saif Ali Khan's building, I beg your pardon. That's what you see on your screens right now. Not just this, according to the information received from sources, police believes that the person can't be alone because the iron ladder that was used for the recce is not possible for a single person to lift. At least 2 to 3 people will be needed to lift it. A recce was being done. Shah Rukh Khan's house, this had happened earlier this month. Yesterday, after the attack on Saif Ali Khan, a police team again went to Shah Rukh Khan's house and was investigating the matter. Although no complaint has been lodged by Khan regarding this, The police is taking this matter seriously, is investigating it, trying to find out whether the ladder that was used has any theft report registered or not. Vidya continues to be with us. The recce done at Bollywood King SRK's house and a possible link with what happened as far as Saif Ali Khan is concerned. Nobody knows just yet about who this person is. What more can you tell us, Vidya? Was he operating alone? Were there more people with him? What is it that police is indicating?
You know, this incident really happened some time back. In fact, what Mumbai police has stated very clearly is that they're still finding out if there's a connection. But there was an incident where this person was trying to climb. There was a ladder put on the boundary wall of Mannat, which is Shah Rukh Khan's residence, and the person had climbed up and was peeping inside the residence. Though it was not a very serious charge, and that's one of the reasons why Shah Rukh Khan did not register a case. But that person who was caught in the CCTV camera footage that is, put up across Mannat, it captured this person, peeping inside, and that's when, the Mumbai police had taken a note of this entire incident. And when they compared that footage to the person's footage who was found in Saif Ali Khan's residence, that person seemed to be quite similar in the body build that they that the person can be seen, and that's one of the reasons why Mumbai police believes that it could be the same person. And that ladder that now Mumbai police is conjecturing is that because that ladder was very heavy ladder and was not picked up by one person, but there were two people involved. So in this particular case as well, because since the accused in Saif Ali Khan's case did not enter through the main gate, he entered from another direction, which was probably a boundary wall that was crossed upon. So using the similar kind of ladder, did that person have an accomplice? So these are the questions that the Mumbai police is really looking into, and also trying to find out if there's a similarity between this person trying to climb into every celebrity's house and trying to reach out. Probably he didn't manage to do so in Shah Rukh Khan's case, but probably was successful in reaching out, because Mannat, as we all know, is hugely guarded. It's heavily guarded, not just by security men outside, but they have security inside as well. And there are a huge number of CCTV cameras put across the entire bungalow that Shah Rukh Khan occupies. In this particular case here, Saif did not really have that much kind of a security, though he does own, a duplex kind of a residence on the top of a building. But the access to the entire building was quite easy, according to what people in the Mumbai police have been stating, because there were not many security guards. One. Also, the entire security actually there is quite lax, in the sense that they don't really record every person's entry, every person's exit, and so there are quite the security is quite lax at Saif's residence. And did that provide a gateway to this entire accused to actually try out Saif's residence, who after he did not get through to Shah Rukh Khan's residence? So these are something that Mumbai police is really looking into, investigating whether there is a link. Of course, whether this will really throw out any further much is also, to be questioned. But then as of now, yes, this is one aspect that Mumbai police is really looking at.